Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We'll continue doing some problems now related to chapter 5. We reached this one. If yp equal this plus this, so you need u1 at 0. So I need to so I have r squared minus 1 equals 0. So r equal plus or minus 1. So yc c1 e to the power x plus c2 is minus x. Okay. Now, this is my y1 and this is my y2. So find w, y1 and y2. That will be ax, ax is minus x, minus is minus x. That will be minus 2. Okay. And w1, this is my f of x. Coefficient of my double prime is 1. w1 will be what? 0, f of x. This is minus x, minus is minus x. That if we do the product, 0 minus 2. It will be minus 2 over a is minus x. Okay. So it will be u1 prime w1 over w. And that is w1 over minus 2. That will be 1 over ax plus is minus x. So u1 will be the integral of this. You can use this trick. Multiply by e to the power x over e to the power x. You are getting what? E to the power x dx over e to x plus 1. Now let u equal e to the power x. du will be what? Same, e to the power x dx. So this integral, so u1 will be what? du over u squared plus 1. Tan inverse, what is u? E to the power x. This is u1. Yeah, I can plug it here to find the answer, and it will be correct. But I can double check for u2. Let me do u2. w2 will be what? Will be ax 0 to ax over ax plus is minus x. That will be what? 2 e to x over ax plus is minus x. Okay. So u2 prime will be w2 over w. That will be what? And I'm afraid, you know, sometimes the things will go inside each other. So because of that, I need to double check. Okay. W2, where is W2? It's over minus 2, that will be minus e to x over ax plus is minus x. So it will be u2. Yeah, that will be a little bit complicated. Minus e to x over ax plus is minus x dx. Do the same trick. ax. That will be minus, leave this as is, over e to x plus 1. Okay, now do the same. Let u equal e to the power x. So du equal ax dx. So that will be what? This is give me u square. This give me du. This give me u square plus 1. Okay. So minus, I can use u square, I can do it this way, u square plus 1, or you can do it by the long division. Yeah, no space. Okay. So that will be equal to what? Minus 1 over u square plus 1 du. In other words, it's minus 1 plus 1. That equal to minus u plus tan inverse of u, which is minus e to the power x tan inverse e to the power x. I'm not done, not yet. So my xp, let me do it here, xp will be u1 e to the power x plus u2 e minus x. I want to see it similar to this, to be sure that u1 is this one, huh? u1 is this, so I have tan inverse ax times ax. u2 is e minus x times this. Let me do it right away. So I have minus 1 plus e minus x tan inverse e to the power x. So this is this. Good. So u1 is what? u1 will be tan inverse e to the power x, which we get from here, which is, yeah, maybe there was no need for this one. Okay. So now he want what? He want u1 at 0, which is tan inverse e0 is 1, and that will be 5 or 4. That will be the answer. Just a double check that it's a little bit lengthy, but I am sure that u2 is okay. There is nothing coming inside the other one. Okay. Homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficient was general solution is this. So I'll find the roots. What are the roots here? Plus or minus I. What are the roots here? Is plus or minus 2i. So the auxiliary equation will be r minus I, r plus I, r minus 2i, r plus 2i equals 0. So you have r squared plus 1 times what? R squared plus 4 equals 0. So I have r to the power 4 plus 5r squared plus 4 equals 0. The differential equation will be the fourth derivative plus 5 second derivative plus 4y equals 0, which is this one. Yeah, quick one, using the undetermined coefficient to form a particular solution. You want the form. Okay. Yeah, we know how to do this. We'll find yc. We'll find then r squared plus 3r, which is r plus 3 equals 0. So I have r 0 minus 3. So it is yc c1 plus c2 e minus 3x. From here, I'm getting the zeros. What are the zeros? Bringing this, I have 0 and 0, 2 times. I have the combined zeros now, combined list. Combine these zeros with these zeros. If you remember the method, huh? 0, 0, 0, minus 3. So you have yb hat, that will be c1 plus c2x plus c3x squared. Have 3 zeros, plus c4 is minus x. Yp will be what? I cancel now yc. So I cancel this. I cancel this. So yp will be what? Ax plus bx squared, which is this one. Ax squared plus bx. Who cares? By using variation parameters, a particular solution to this differential equation is given by this. Okay, so I need to do everything here. Okay, so first we solve the homogeneous. So I have r squared minus 9. So r equal plus or minus 3. So yc is this. C1 E3x E minus 3x. Okay, this is my f of x. Now find w. This is u1. This is u2. Okay, so w for u1, y1 and y2. Sorry, y1 and y2. That will be E3x. 3e3x e minus 3x minus 3 is minus 3x. That will be minus 3 minus 3. That will be minus 6. Good. Now w1 will be 0 f of x, which I can write it 9x is minus 3x and this is the rest. Find this, it will be 0 minus 9x is minus 6x. So it will be u1 prime. I think you know this procedure, this over this. So you have 9 over 6, which is 3 over 2. 3 over 2 x is minus 6x. 1 will be what? The integral of this. Yeah, there is a minus sign, don't forget it. There is a minus sign here. Yeah, is there a minus sign? Yes, because it's 0 minus that. Okay. X e minus 6x dx. Can do it by the tabular method. Minus 3 over 2x e minus 6x minus 3 over 2, 0. There is no minus sign. Sorry, minus over minus, that will be plus. This is minus. This is minus. So that will be plus, 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 plus. Yeah, it should be plus. Minus, there is a minus sign here. So minus over minus, that will be backward 1 over 6 e integral. And then I have 1 over 36 is minus 6x. This is plus. This is minus. So that will be what? Now it's 3 over 2 times, cancel 3 with 6, I have minus 1 over 4. Okay. Minus 1 over 4, x e minus 6x. Then this is what? 12. 36 over 3 is 12, so I have minus 1 over 24. Is minus 6x. That is U1. Now I'll do the same for W2. I have E3x, it will be easier, I think. 3e minus 3x, this is 0. They have 9x is minus 3x. Yeah, that will be easier. That will be 9x. So it will be U2 prime. W2 over W. There is a minus sign here, so it will be minus 3 over 2x. So what will be U2? U2 is minus 3 over 4 x squared. So it will be xp. It will be u1 y1 plus u2 y2. And that is what? Yeah. u1, where is it? This is u1. I have minus 1 over 4 x a minus 6x. All of this times y1, which is e3x. And this one minus 3 over 4 x squared is minus 3x. Still, this is e is minus 6x times e to the power 3x. That will be e to the power minus 3x, which I can take it as a common factor. So you have minus 1 over 4 x minus 1 over 24 minus 3 over 4 x squared, all times e to the power minus 3x, which is this one. Yeah, exactly. The general solution. So it means I need to find the auxiliary equation first. That will be r cubed minus 3r squared plus r plus 5 equals 0. I need to solve this. Yeah. If you look at it deeply, 1 is not a root. What about minus 1? If you look at the answers, you notice minus 1 here, you have 5 here, you have 1. So that will give you a hint. What are the roots? So let me try minus 1. I think minus 1 is a root. Minus 1, if r equal minus 1, I have what? Minus 1, minus 3, minus 1 plus 5 equals 0. So it's correct. So that's it. This is what I need. I need only one root. So do the synthetic division. Reduce it. That will be 1, minus 1, minus 4, 4, 5, minus 5, 0. So this one will be what? R squared minus 4, R plus 5 equals 0, which means R equal what? 4 plus 1 square root b squared 16 minus 20 over 2. So it will be 2. This is 4. And then the square root 2, so 2 plus or minus I. So yc, so you have this and this, you have 3 roots. So yc will be c1 e minus x plus c2. What is this? E to x cosine x plus c3 e to x sine x. So I have this answer. Correct. The form of the particular solution, it means I need to find the roots from this one, where I have r squared minus 2r plus 1. So I have r minus 1 squared. So r equal 1, 1. So yc, c1 ax plus c2 x ax. I'll find now the roots from here, the zeros from here. I have what will bring this? I have e to the power x, x e to the power x, that will bring 1, 1, 2 times, and the 10, the 0 will bring it. So now I have a combined list where I have 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So it will be yb hat, it will be c1 ax plus c2 x ax plus c3 x squared ax plus c4 x cubed ax plus c5. That's it, the constant. Now I cancel yc. What is yc? Cancel this. Yp will be what? Plus bx cubed ax plus c, or d, or what you call it. So I have ax squared times ax, bx cubed times ax, and the constant. So this is my answer. Okay, using the method and variation parameters, I want to find the solution. Let me do the calculation. Yeah. First, I solve the homogeneous. So I have r squared minus 2r plus 1, which is r minus 1 squared. So I have r is 1, 1. So yc, c1 ax plus c2 x ax. So this is my y1, this is my y2. So w of y1 and y2 will be what? Ax, ax, x, ax. That will be what? Ax plus x, ax. So I'm getting what? E to x plus x e to x minus x e to x. That will be e to x. Okay. W1 will be what? 0. Then I have ax over x squared plus 1. And the other one is what? That will be x ax. Here I have ax plus x ax. That will be what? Minus x e to x over x squared plus 1. So u1 prime, which is w1 over w, I divide this by this. So e to the power x, e to the power 2x cancelled. So I have minus x over x squared plus 1. So u1 will be the integral of this minus x over x squared plus 1 dx. I'll take 2.5. So I have minus half du over u. Okay. So it will be minus half ln x squared plus 1, which is always positive. Ln u, yeah, you want to do it in steps. Ln absolute value of u, which is minus half ln x squared plus 1, which is always positive. Okay. Now for w2, for u2, I'll find w2. W2 will be what? I think it will be easier. Ax, and that will be 0. Ax over x squared plus 1. So I have a to x over x squared plus 1. So u2 prime will be w2 over w, where e to the power 2x cancelled. So I have 1 over x squared plus 1. So it will be u2. The integral of this, which is very clear, this is tan inverse of x. So it will be xb. I want xb. All right, we'll find the general solution. Okay. xb. That will be u1 y1 plus u2 y2. What is U1? U1 is this one. So I have, and y1 is e to the power x. So I have minus e to the power x over 2 ln x squared plus 1. U2, which is tan inverse of x, times y2, which is x. So plus x ax tan inverse of x. What is my general solution? Y equal yc plus yp. This is yc, and this is yp. So this is the answer. This is yc, and this is yp. Exactly. Okay. If y makes a solution of this initial value problem, yeah, it's a little bit lengthy. Okay. So first, I need to figure out the homogeneous. I'll do it undetermined coefficients. Minus y prime minus 2y equals 0. So I have what r squared minus r minus 2, which is r minus 2 times r plus 1 times r plus 1, yes, equals 0. So r, is it minus 2 minus 1? Yes, r equal 2 and minus 1. So yc c1 e to x plus c2 e minus x. Okay. Now, let's find yp. So we find we have the zeros on this. We have now the zeros coming from there. What are the zeros? 1. So I have the combined list of zeros. 2 minus 1, 1. There is no intersection, so just I need to take e to the power x, but just let me make it complete. Yp hat will be c1 e to x plus c2 e minus x plus c3 e to the power x. Now I can cancel yc, so this is cancelled, this is cancelled. So yp, the form of yp will be aax. Now I need to find a, so I plug it into the equation. So I have yp prime a ax, yp double prime aax. Plug it into that, so I have yp double prime minus yp prime minus 2yp. That equal to what? ax minus ax minus 2ax, and that should equal 4ax. So this is cancelled. So a will be what? A will be minus 2. So yp is minus 2 e to the power x. What is my general solution? Because these initial conditions are for the general solution. Y equal yc plus yp, and that will be c1 e to x plus c2 e minus x minus 2 e to the power x. Now I need to find the c's using the condition. So I need the y prime, huh? To make substitution quickly. C1 y prime will be what? And this is y prime. That will be 2c1 e to x minus c2 e minus x minus 2 e to the power x. Okay. Now use the conditions. Y at 0 equals 3. Yeah, that implies what? C1 plus C2 minus 2 equals 3. So 1 plus C2 equals 5. Okay. Y prime at 0 is minus 1. Let me see what will be the equation now. So I have 2C1 minus C2 minus 2 equal to minus 1. So I have 2C1 minus C2 equals to 1. Add these two, you are getting what? C1 plus C2 minus 2 equals to 3. And 2C1, no, it is 2C1 minus C2 minus 2 give me minus 1. Take the other side, you have 4. Is there a mistake somewhere? No. YB equal AX. So A equal minus 2, that's correct. YB equal minus 2AX. Okay. That will be my YP. General solution is this. C1. So find the derivative. Will be 2C2 minus C2 is minus X minus 2 e to the power X. Okay, that is okay. Y at 0 equal 3. That would be what? C1 plus C2 minus 2 equal 3. So that would be 5. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. This is 3C1. Yeah, everything is okay. I'm just double checking it. That will be 6. So C1 equal 2. Plug it here. I'm getting C2 equal 3. Yeah. So my solution will be what? C1 equal 2. So that Y equal 2e to X. Yeah. I'm just double checking it. Plus 3 is minus X minus 2e to the power X. But what they want Y at 1. Y at 1 will be 2e square plus 3 e is minus 1 minus 2e, which is this one. Yeah, just I double checked the calculation. It was okay. Okay. By using the method of variation parameters, you want me to use the method of variation parameters. A particular solution is in this form. Is equal to this. Okay, so let me solve the homogeneous first. So I have r squared plus 1 equals 0. So r equal plus or minus I. So yc would be c1 cosine x plus c2 sine x. And this is, yeah, let me try to squeeze it here. Yc c1 cosine x plus c2 sine x. So this is y1 and this is y2. So w of y1 and y2 will be what? Cosine x minus sine x. Sine x cosine x. And that will be cosine square plus sine square, which is 1. Okay. W1 will be what? 0 cosine square x. And this is sine x cosine x. That will be equal to what? Minus sine x cosine square x. So u1 prime will be w1 over w. And that is what? Minus, because it's over 1. So that will not make a difference. Okay. What is u1? That will be the integral of this. Okay. How to do this integral? Very clear. I'll take this u. That will be my, but the minus inside, I think better. So if I let u cosine x, du will be minus sine x dx. So I have u1 is equal to u squared du. Yeah, which is what? U cubed over 3, which is cosine cubed over 3. Okay, that's u1. Now for u2, I need to find w2. W2 will be what? Cosine x minus sine x, 0 cosine square x, that will be cosine cubed x dx. Okay, so u2 prime is W2 over W, which is the same cosine cube since I'm dividing by 1. So U2 will be the integral of this, cosine cubed x dx. What about this integral? Yeah, I can use this trick, which is cosine square x cosine x dx. And cosine square is what? 1 minus sine square x cosine x dx. Now I will let you sine du will be cosine x dx. So I'm having what? 1 minus u square du. That will be u minus u cubed over 3, which is sine x, u is sine minus sine cubed x over 3. Okay, so what is yp? Yp will be u1 y1 plus u2 y2. Okay, u1 is what? This is u1, okay, multiplied by y1, which is cosine, so that will be 1 over 3 cosine to the power 4. Okay, u2, this is u2, multiplied by u1 y2, which is sine, that will be plus sine square minus 1 over 3 sine to the power 4, which is this answer. Yeah, calculation, nothing is there. Okay, by the method and term coefficient, a particular solution has the form. This, okay. We can do this. This is will be what is the roots. So we have r equal minus b plus b squared 4 minus 4ac minus 8. So it's minus 1 plus or minus I. And the zeros from this side will be plus or minus I. There's no intersection, so I can use this one right away. But let me just find YC to be sure. Actually, no need. So I have the combined zeros, the combined list. That will be minus 1 plus or minus I. So I have YP hat. That will be, as I said, there is no need for all of this since I have no duplication, the way he was saying it in the book. Cancel this, cancel this. So YP will be A cosine X plus B sine X, which is this one. So this is true. Okay, Yx is the solution of this initial value problem. Yeah, I need to solve this, then substitute. So solve the homogeneous first. So I'm getting what r squared plus 4 equals 0. So you have r equal plus or minus 2i. So it is yc, c1 cosine 2x. Sometimes if the right hand side is easy one, like in this case 2x, I think you can find yp by inspection. Or you can do it the wrong way by indeterminate coefficient. Yp by inspection. By inspection. Equal to what? Equal. I need to multiply. It's ax. So y double prime will be 0. So I need to multiply 4a equal to, so a equal half. So that will be x over 2. Half x. And you can check it easy. Since you have what? Half x derivative, second derivative will be 0. 4 times half x will be 2x. So that will be the answer. Or you can do it using the calculation, undetermined coefficient method. Okay, so my general solution, y equal yc plus yb. This is not always you can do, but sometimes if you can do it, that will be easier. It will make the calculation easy. Now I need y prime. That will be what? Minus 2 c1 sine 2x plus 2 c2 cosine 2x plus half. So I have the condition y at 0 equal 1. So you have what? C1 Sine 0 is 0, 0, C1 equal 1. Good. Y prime at 0 equal 2. So you have what? This is 0. So you have 2C2 plus half equal 2. And so that C2 will be equal to what? Take half to the other side. That's 2 minus half, 3 over 2 over 2. That will be 3 over 4. So my y will be C1, which is 1. That will be cosine to x plus 3 over 4 sine to x plus half x. What they want? They want y at pi. Cosine to pi is 1. That will be 1. Sine to pi 0 plus pi over 2, which is this one. Yeah. By using the method variation parameters, particular solution of this. We did that before. Yeah, we did it before, I think. Yeah, if I remember well. Yeah, it's this one. So I have minus 1 over 24 minus 1 over 4 minus 3 over 4. So that minus 3 over 4 x squared x. Yeah, so that will be my answer. I need to do it again. The general solution of this. So you have the auxiliary equation. That will be r cubed plus 3r squared minus 4 minus 4 equals 0. This is cubic equation. So I need at least one root. Very clear, r equal 1 is the root. This is what I need. So I have 1, 3, no coefficient here, minus 4 over 1. That will be 1, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 0. So I have here what? X squared or r squared plus 4r plus 4, which is r plus 2 all squared. So I have roots are what? 1 minus 2 minus 2. So it will be YC, C1AX minus 2x plus C3x minus 2x. That will be my answer. Still. Okay. Let me continue. This is the same question. What is this? The general solution of this. The same one. So this is the answer. Good. YP is a particular solution of this differential equation with YP at 0 equal this. He wants to find YP at minus 1. Okay. So we solve the homogeneous. The homogeneous will be what? So you have r squared plus 4 equals 0. So r equal plus or minus 2i. So YC. Actually, I don't need it. Okay. Now, if you look at this, the YP form, this, what are the zeros here? Yeah, the zeros will be 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Yeah, x cube, or each x cube, I have 1x, x squared, x cube, so I have 4 zeros. So there's no duplication, so I can write YB right away, or I can do YP hat, do it the way you like, but there's no duplication. So YP will be A plus BX plus CX squared plus DX cubed. Yeah, you want me to find A, B, C, D. Okay. So I plug it into the equation. I have YP prime will be what? Will be what? B plus 2CX plus 3DX squared. YP double prime. That will be what? 2C plus 6DX. I need to multiply this by 1. This is by 0 and this is by 4. So you have YP double prime plus 4YP. That will be what? 2C plus 6DX plus 4A plus 4BX plus 4CX squared plus 4DX cubed. That should equal 3x cubed. Okay. Now, check the coefficient. I have coefficient of x cubed. Here it's 4d equal to 3. So d equal 3 over 4. Coefficient of x square. This is gone. Coefficient of x square have only 4c. And equal 0 the other side. So c equals 0. Yeah. C equals 0. Now coefficient of x. That will be what? This and this. So I have 6d plus 4c, and that should equal to 0. D I have 3 over 4. So I have what? 18 over 4. Why? Okay. So I have 18 over 4, which is 9 over 2. So you have 9 over 2. Yeah. 9 over 2 plus 4c equals 0. So c equal what? Minus 9 over 2 times 1 over 4 minus 9 over 8. That will be c. Okay. Now, I need the constant coefficients. We have 2c plus 4a. That's equal to 0. So c equals 0. That's good. A equals 0. So it is yp. Yp equal, yeah. Yp will be what? A is 0. B is what? Where is B? Did I find B? This is C equals 0. This is 6D plus 4B. This is 4B, sorry. So this is B. This is B. Yeah. So B is minus 9 over 8. X. C is 0. And D is 3 over 4. Plus 3 over 4. X cubed. Okay. Just see, told you yp at 0 equals 0. I think just for you to be sure that what you did is correct. We don't need this. Yp at minus 1 will be what? 9 over 8 minus 3 over 4, which is 9 over 8. This is minus 6 over 8, which is 3 over 8. Method of calculation, 3 over 8. Okay, yp equal this. Find u2. He wanted me to find u2, the one with psi. Okay. So I have this YC. I have the homogeneous. I think we did good numbers of questions. Now let me try to finish it. YC will be C1 cosine X plus C2 sine X. So this is Y2 and this is Y1. So it is W of Y1, Y2. That will be, yeah, cosine X minus sine X, sine X cosine X, which is equal to 1. I need U2, which is the one with the sign. So I'll go to W2 right away. That is 0, not 0, cosine X minus sine X, 0 cosecant square X. Okay. So that will be what? Yeah, cosine X, cosecant square X. So U2 prime will be W2 over W, which is the same since I'm dividing by 1. So say cosine X over sine square X. Okay. So now U2 will be the integral of that. So I let U equal sine X. Du will be what? Cosine X dx. So I have du, or u to the power minus 2 du, which is what? Minus 1 over u, which is minus 1 over sine, which is minus cosecant x. So this is my answer. The general solution of this, zeros, I have 0, 1, 1. This one I need to solve it. R squared plus 4r plus 5. So I have r equal what? Minus 4 plus or minus square root 4 squared 16 minus 20 over 2. So it's minus 2 plus or minus I. Yeah, 4 minus 4, which is 2i over 2, so that I. So YC will be C1. This is I have double, so I have C2AX plus C3XAX. This one, C4 A minus 2x cosine x sine x. So this is the answer. This is correct, 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 correct. So this is the answer. In appropriate form, okay, we'll find the zeros from here. So I have r squared minus 1. So r equal plus or minus 1. So YC, I need YC in this case. So I cancel it. From here, what are the zeros? 1 and minus 1, same. So the combined list, I have what? 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. So YP had, then I cancel it. XAX, A minus X. I cancel YC, which is this and this. So YP will be AX, which is this one. Okay. If YX equal to this, solve it. Okay. So I need to solve the homogeneous. So I have Y equal R squared plus 1. Let me do it in steps. So YC. Yeah, you can find YP by inspection. Very clear. That's YP equal 1. So this is 1. By inspection, or you can do it the wrong way to undetermined coefficient. Okay, so general solution, Y equal C plus YP. That will be C1 cosine x plus C2 sine x plus 1. I need Y prime. Y prime will be what? Minus C1 sine x plus C2 cosine x. That's it. I have the condition to find the C's. Y at 0 will be what? C1 plus 1 equal to, so C1 equal 1. Y prime at 0, that will be C2, which is equal to 1. So my solution, Y will be cosine x plus sine x plus 1. But they want Y at pi over 4. That will be cosine pi over 4 square root 2 over 2. Square root 2 over 2 plus 1. That will be square root of 2 plus 1, which is this one. Using variation parameters, you want to solve this. Find U1 plus U2. Okay. Let me try to do it. This is will be the homogeneous. So I have r squared plus 4 equals 0. So I have r equal plus or minus 2i. So YC is this cosine. Cosine to x. Now this is my y1, this is my y2. W of y1 and y2 will be what? Cosine to x minus 2 sine to x, sine to x, 2 cosine to x. That gives me what? 4, huh? 4, 2 plus 2, which is 4. Okay. Now W1, I need to find U1 and U2. Okay, so W1 will be what? 0, 4 secant to x, sine to x. Here I have 2 cosine to x, I don't need it. That will be minus 4 sine to x over cosine to x. Okay, so U1 prime will be W1 over W, and that is what? That will be minus tan to x. So U1 will be ln cosine to x. And there is, be careful. There is Yeah, don't rush it, don't rush it. Cosine, this is 2 plus 2, 4. We have here 0 minus 4. Sine to x over cosine to x. Okay. That will be minus tan to x. Yeah. I'm losing missing anything. That will be 2 cosine squared plus 2 sine squared. That will be plus 2 sine squared. Sorry. This is 2, not 4. Let me do it. 2 cosine square plus 2 sine square. That will be 2 times 1, which is 2. Yeah. So this is will be minus 4 over 2. So this will be minus half. Yeah. Okay, so this is minus half. I need minus half here. Okay, so u1 will be what? The integral of this, so I need minus half. The integral of tan to x dx. Let u equal to x. du will be what? 2 dx. Sorry, it's w1. It's w1 over w. So it's not half, it's minus 2. This is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So u1 will be then, yeah, will be integral of this. Yeah. If u equal to x, du will be 2 dx. So you have this is du. So you have, and this is the minus, so it will be ln cosine to x. Differentiate this, you have what? Sine to x over cosine to x. Yeah. Times derivative of cosine, which is minus, it's 1 over cosine. Derivative of this, it's 1 over cosine to x. Derivative of that, which is minus 2 sine to x. So it's minus 2 tan, which is correct. Okay, just to be sure. Now, W2, yeah, be careful with the calculation. Usually cosine to x, don't rush it. Minus 2 sine to x. This is 0. This is 4 secant to x. That will be easy. That will be 4. So u2 prime equal what? Equal w2 over w, which is 2. So u2 equal to x. I wanted to find u1 plus u2. So it will be 2x plus this. What is this one? Okay. It's not difficult, but you need to be careful with the calculation. Okay, these are just quick zeros. So I have here minus 1, here 2, 2. Here I need to do it the long way. I mean the formula r equal 4 plus or minus square root b square 16 minus 4 times 13 over 2. This is what? 16 minus 52, which is minus 36. So yeah, 6, so it will be 2 plus or minus 3i. So it is yc. C1 is minus x. This e to x, x e to x. For this one, C4 e to x cosine 3x plus C5 e to x sine 3x. This. Correct. Now Broad form, we want the form, so we need to solve this first. Y triple minus y double prime minus 12y prime. So I have what? R cubed minus R squared minus 12R. But I have R, this is what? R minus 4 times R plus 3. So R will be 0, 4 minus 3. So YC will be C1. Okay. Now I'll find the zeros from here. Zeros. What are the zeros? I have 0 2 times for the x. And here I have -3 2 times. So it's the combined list. I have 0 0 0 3 times for -3 -3 -3. So yb hat will be c1 plus c2x plus c3x squared plus c4 e4x plus c5 e minus 3x plus c7 x squared e minus 3x. Cancel yc, so I cancel this, and I cancel this one. So it will be yp, it will be ax plus bx squared plus cx e minus 3x plus dx squared e minus 3x, which is exactly this one. Okay. Solution of this, so I have what? I think we did this before. Yeah. Yeah, it's exactly the same. And it's actually the same initial condition, y at 0 equal 1, y prime at 0 equal 2. Yeah, but the last, okay. So this is my answer. So y equal cosine 2x plus 3 over 4 sine 2x. Y equal cosine 2x plus what? Plus half, I think, or something. Sure. Plus half x. Then the substitution is different. That's it. Plus half x. What he want now? He want y 2 pi. That one was y pi. Not a big difference. That will be 1. I have 0. 2 pi. That will be 1 plus pi, which is this one. Okay. Now this is the last one. So let me do it quickly. Did I did it before? Yeah, I think we did before. E to the power x over 1 plus x squared. Yeah, this one. Is it minus? Same, exactly. Oops. Yeah, exactly the same. So what was the solution? I think we did it completely. Yeah. So this is my solution. This is xb. I need xb. So xb was minus ax over 2 ln. No need to waste time. xb or yb will be minus e to the power x over 2 ln x squared plus 1 plus, I think, ax tan inverse x. Is it? Yeah, the other one I don't need it, but just for completeness. Where is it? Yeah, this one. Yes, x tan inverse of x. Okay. What they want? Yeah, this is this one I don't need. I need u1 times this, which is, so u1 of x will be minus half ln x squared plus 1, which is this one. Yeah, I think that's all. I finished now chapter 5, questions. We did good number of questions for section 5. So let me stop the recording. The remaining is only chapter 6. Inshallah, I'll try to do it as soon as possible. Thank you.